oxtail busting. This right now I'm testing out this African food. This some type of kale, and this right here, this is some type of little peas and carrots in it. But that shit busting. It's good though. And I don't know what this is, but it's good though. I got some corn and some oxtail. See this oxtail hitting on too. Oxtail busting. What's the name of it again?
So it's salmon.
And it's made from
corn. So the corn is like they remove the yellow part and they leave the white part inside. And then they boil it and then they put some creamy salmon. Called creamy salmon.
Yeah, that shit good as hell.